Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Salem Rain, and today we're making s'mores Rice Krispie Treats. Let's get started. Here I have a 9x13 pan that I have lightly buttered. You don't have to lightly butter your pan. I just like the extra butter, and I find that the bars lift out much easier than not having the butter. Do what works best for you. In this large bowl, I have 4 cups of Rice Krispies, or Rice Puffs. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of graham crackers that I crushed up by hand. You can see that the pieces are small, but not a fine powder, and not too large. Here I have 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Mix it all together. Let's go over to the stove and melt our marshmallows. In a pot, I have 5 cups of mini marshmallows. I'm going to turn the stove on to medium heat. Add 1/2 cup of butter. You can use salted or unsalted. I always use salted because I like the extra flavor. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir this together until it melts and combines. It's combined. Take it off the heat. Dump in your melted marshmallow and butter mixture to the dry mix. Mix it up. It's almost combined. It's beautifully combined. I like to wear gloves and transfer the ooey gooey mixture into your prepared pan or unprepared pan. Evenly pat it down. Beautiful. Let's go back to the stove and make the marshmallow fluff topping. In a pot, I have 2 cups of mini marshmallows. I'm going to add 2.5 teaspoons of corn syrup. I'm using the Lily White corn syrup. Stir this until it melts and combines, making a beautiful marshmallow fluff. The marshmallows have melted. Smear the marshmallow fluff on top. Cover and refrigerate for about 2 hours. This will help cool them down enough and make it easier to cut into squares. You can cut them into 24 squares, but I like larger squares, so I'm only going to get 12 bars. Or you could do 8. I simply cut the pan of s'mores Rice Krispies into the size that I wanted and place a piece of chocolate bar that I broke up into pieces right on top. I hope you enjoy this super simple recipe. See you again next time.